And why we revere our personal saint and all the saints in heaven, we focus on two important things. One is their heroic lives that they live. Heroic lives that they live. I honestly believe that saints in heaven during their lifetime live an extraordinary life because in their own life experience, they have shown to the Lord and they have shown to the world the virtues that they have emulated in themselves. Kaya makikita natin yung mga santo at mga santa, may kanya-kanyang mga napakahalagang katangian, pananampalataya, pag-ibig, sakripisyo, pagtulong sa may sakit, pagtulong sa may hirap. Bawat isang santo ay meron silang talagang napakagandang halimbawang ipinakita sa atin.